Hi guys, it's Angie, and today I'm coming to do a DT share. And I do apologize for being absent for the last few weeks. Christmas was crazy. I'm sure it was crazy for everyone. I do have like one or two videos that I did in Christmas that I still need to get out for project shares. But um, anyways, we kind of stayed longer where we were at for Christmas because we got snowed in, and then I got that dreaded, horrible head cold that put me down for about 2 weeks almost. I'm just now getting over it, so I apologize to everyone. And also, I wanted to let everybody know that I'm getting my packages out this weekend. I'm so sorry to those my winners for my challenge that I wanted to get those out 2 weeks ago, and I'm so sorry. I just was so sick. But anyways, I know everybody understands, and I've been keeping up, keeping you guys informed, so I know you get it. So anyways, I am coming today to do a DT for Tracie, and that's Love Junk Journals. That's Tracie Fox, and I'm sure everybody knows Tracie. So this is her information. She's Love Junk Journals on Facebook. She has a Facebook fan page, and that's her Etsy. And then she's on YouTube as Tracie Fox Love Junk Journals. And then the Foxy Crafter is her Facebook group. So if you wanted to head over there and join her group, it's super fun. She has challenges, and she gives away digis for her prizes. So it's super fun. And so anyways, I kind of show really quick her. Hold on one sec. Let's see here. So this is her Etsy shop right here. So she came out with like, I couldn't even keep up with her. Oh my goodness, girl, you've been rocking it. She's come out with 6, I think, in January, but she had a few more in December, as you see here. And today I'm working with a few of her kits. She just seems to be, I mean, all her stuff coincides so easily, and I just love how they all work together. They're totally my grungy style, so they fit well. So I'll let you know which ones I used in this folio. But anyways, this is her shop, so please go over there and check her shop out. She has amazing digital kits and all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's just, the girl is just rocking it. So anyways, there's a quick look on that. So yes, let's put that over there. So some of the things that you'll see in this folio today is from her file folder kit, the lace one, some address labels, labels 1, some faux ephemera flashcards, let's see, some attic paper, some of her seed packets, and so I kind of went crazy, but I just love it. I love to use new and old, and the new things that I get for DT and the things that I already have. It works very well. And so this is a Tim Holtz folio that I was got for some happy mail from Patty. So thank you, Patty, for that, because I love it. And this actually helped me get through my cold days when I was, not feeling so well and needed to do something. So anyway, so this is my project. So this is I'm calling this the let's see, what did I call this? The family tree of time. There we go. There it is. Spit it out. So anyways, this is kind of my theme, is kind of family and the family tree, and so I kind of went with that. So on the side here I have some dangles and some charms with my keys, and there's a kilt pin that I just put some dangles and some watch faces there, or some clock faces. And then there's some string that I tied up around it. And then this is file folder that I end up putting on the spine of this folio. And just a little clasp there. And then my signature on the back on a piece of wood. I know it's kind of hard to see. I have to buff that some more. But anyway, so it's held together by these elastic things that come on the folio. And the folio was just a really thick cardboard kind of material, very thick card material. So anyway, so you open it like this. So here's the front. Like I said, I just did a little collage of family. Like I said, it was the family tree. So I ended up using a wood disc here and put story, and then the Tim Holtz peoples. And then this is some Tim Holtz die cuts that I had. Some little pine needles and then some metal in there. So yeah, so there's my collage on the front. Oh, and then my key back here, which is a resin key, and then I had dipped it in some wax. I love doing that, so there you go. So you open it up like this, and it's kind of stiff. Like I said, it's stiff. So here is Tracie's. This was part of her file folder, the lace collection. So all I did is, this is the little folder that holds the book, but I kind of made this file folder this way, and then I added a gusset on the sides to give it some depth so you could add your ephemera inside it. So there's a gusset that I made right there. And then inside holds just a bunch of extra ephemera that you could use, and you can get into it easily with that gusset that I added. So just here are some ephemera from Tracie's Digi Kits. And everything that she does is already kind of grunge. She inks all the edges and stuff. But I enhance it. You don't have to, like I said, if she does it for you already on most of her work. But I'm just one of those people that like to take it an extra grungy step. So here are just some ephemera, some of her tags that are in her kits. And then this is one of her tags. And all I did was I put some wax and I buffed it. I love using wax. It just looks like glass. I love it. So that's that. And then this is the little book that I made from her lace kit. And all I did was print this out, the cover out twice. And so I could have the front and the back. Then I used a file folder for the spine. And I just sewed in one signature. And then I left the threads of the one signature, and I have a key at the end. So it just has some tea stained papers, and this is some of her attic paper in here. Love, love, love your stuff, Tracie. Thank you so much. And so this is the back. So we'll just maybe put that to the side. Okay, so then you get into the center of this. So like I said, this is all scrapbook paper. It was all plain natural color, so I just put scrapbook paper. So here's the time with the clocks. And then this is a grungy piece of seam binding, and I used two rusty washers to kind of hold the ribbon back. So I just thread it through and then glued it down. So it opens like this. This is fun. This is, like I said, it's pretty stiff still. So, and so here's the sides. And I know this looks upside down, but I did that on purpose because it's just fun to break rules, right? It could go either way. My way wanted to go this way, but it ended up being this way. So so the numbers face this, and then the seed packets in here. So I put some seed packets because it's, you know, the family tree, and you grow from a seed and you grow from there. So I just thought that was fun. And then another seed packet over here. And so this right here is the innards. So what I did is I took some wax thread and I made this removable. So you can remove it like this. So it ties the two strings on here, and then you just tie it back in here. We'll go through this and then we'll bring that one back. So this is the inside, and it's kind of just like, I don't know, it's really cool. It's just like a layered little effect, and you just add all your little ephemera on it. And so this is all the peoples, all the family. So it starts off on here. It says one of a kind. It has some people here, and then here's the second layer. And throughout you'll see some shiny bits, and that's some wax that I did over it. And then this can be interactive if you want to. And these are from her little tiny tags set on Tracie. And I love the number 5, so that's in there. And you see the shine on that? Isn't that cool? So this is wax as well, and I just love how it looks like glass. Guys, so pretty. So there's the second one. And then I just stamped all mine. I did like some stamp collaging. I just stamped layer upon layer, and then just added some of Tracie's things. These are Tim Holtz Peoples. And then this one I used a different collage medium. This was a crazing, I believe that's what that was. And then some cheesecloth and layering. And then a little bulb pen with a key. And then here is the last page, and I just adhered that with some wax. And then this I made, this I thought could just be, it's held in a little pocket there. And I thought it could just be like a little photo album. I just did a few layers of cardstock on there, and then this is embossed, and then I put some, what is it, some like rub and buff on here just to enhance the tree. And then I waxed over it, layered it, and did my waxing over it, and then buffed it to a high shine. I just love the way it looks like glass. I love texture. I love layers. I love shininess here and throughout. So yeah, and then I also just did the back really quick too, because you have to finish off the back. And so there's another 5, and then some layers there. So there's that. And then I decided to make a file folder back here. So this is the little pocket that holds it. I just did a little gusset on the side so it gives it some depth, so the pocket can fit in there. And so here's just the file folder, and it just has some blank paper. You can add photos, and this way you can do all your journaling and write all your memories and whatnot. And then again, here's the front with some string wrapped around it, little collagey bitty bits. And then I also waxed the people on. You can kind of see that. So we'll just put this back together really quick. So this goes in here like this. And we'll try to anyways, right? Sometimes it never goes back the way it should. So you just open it right here. So I have it to where you open, you can either open it later, but I kind of had it right here. And you take this string up and you pull this one together like this. I just love this. This is a technique I learned from Nick the Booksmith, so thank you, Nick, on one of her courses. So you just tie it up here like this, and then make a bow. And I just love how it ties that, you know, I just love how that turned out, so where you could take it out and enjoy it even more. So that comes down like this, and then put the ephemera back in here, and then this little journal book. It's another little journal book. You can journal all your family memories, or you know whatnot. And like I said, this was to add pictures. You can also add pictures, you know, wherever you wanted to. I just think this is a really fun folio. I've never owned one of these folios, and they're so cool, and you can do so many ideas with them. They're so versatile. I love them. So thank you for that, Patty. So then you close it this way, and you just bring this over like this. You pull it up this way, and then you just add the elastics back over. And there you go, guys. There's the Family Tree of Time folio. So thank you so much, Tracy. I hope you like this DT for the month of January. I had a lot of fun creating this and designing this and putting this together with your Digi kits. They work so well in everything that I do. I'm just honored, and I appreciate so much being a part of your team. Thank you for the opportunity. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I hope everybody's having a happy 2019. I have a lot of things coming up. I'll try to maybe get an update video or something like that soon. If not, you know, I'll keep you posted on a few things. But thank you for all my new subs. I truly appreciate every one of you, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.